Who says healthy eating has to be complicated or expensive? We're about to change your mind one pan at a time. Welcome to AI Easy Recipes. This recipe is all about simplicity and flavor. We'll show you how to make a nutritious, comforting meal that's perfect for any night of the week, all in a single pan. Let's get cooking with Gemini. Hi Gemini. I would like to prepare a main entree for 4 people. I will be using 1 pot to cook this meal. My guests have no allergies. I would love the recipe to be comfort food. Some things to keep in mind. The meal needs to be healthy and nutritious. Feel free to include chicken. Please also include a shopping list. Looking forward to tasting our savory meal.
Hello there. On days like this, when it's just pouring outside, all I want is something warm, comforting, and super satisfying. So let's make a delicious and budget-friendly one-pot chicken dish that's not only healthy and nutritious, but also perfect for feeding 4 happy bellies. We're making one-pot chicken and mushroom tomato stew. This recipe is all about using simple, affordable ingredients to create a really rich and satisfying stew. The mushrooms give it this lovely earthy depth, while the tomatoes add a bright, tangy kick that complements the chicken perfectly. Okay, let's gather our ingredients. Here's what you'll need. 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, cut into 1-inch pieces. 1 large onion chopped. 8 ounces of mushrooms, cremini or button mushrooms work great, sliced. 1 big 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes, just dump the whole can in there. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 teaspoon of dried thyme. Half a teaspoon of dried rosemary. 1 cup of chicken broth. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Salt and pepper to taste. And some fresh parsley chopped for a pretty garnish, optional of course. Also, you can add 1 cup of brown rice or quinoa if you want to make it even heartier. Equipment-wise, you'll need a large pot or Dutch oven. That's it. Now let's get cooking. Here's how we're going to do it. First, we're going to sauté the aromatics. Heat up that olive oil in the pot over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and cook it till it's softened, about 5 minutes. Then, throw in the minced garlic and cook for another minute, until it smells amazing. Next, we're going to brown the chicken. Add those chicken pieces to the pot and cook till they're browned on all sides. This step is super important for building flavor, so don't skip it. Now, add the mushrooms and herbs. Toss in the sliced mushrooms, dried thyme, and dried rosemary. Cook it all together until the mushrooms have softened and released their liquid, about 5 minutes. Time to simmer that stew. Pour in the diced tomatoes and chicken broth. Season with salt and pepper. Bring it to a simmer, then turn the heat down low, cover the pot, and let it simmer for at least 25 to 30 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through and tender. If you're adding brown rice or quinoa, follow the package directions and add it to the stew during the last 15 minutes of simmer time. And finally, let's serve it up. Ladle the stew into bowls and sprinkle with fresh parsley if you like. A few things to keep in mind. This stew is packed with protein from the chicken and fiber from the veggies. Using chicken thighs gives us those healthy fats, and the canned tomatoes are a great source of lycopene, which is an antioxidant. Adding brown rice or quinoa boosts the fiber and complex carbohydrates even more. You're looking at about 15 minutes of prep time, 30 minutes of cook time, and a total of 45 minutes to get this deliciousness on the table. Find the full shopping list, the recipe, cook time, and some handy nutritional tips in the description below. Enjoy your delicious and budget-friendly meal.
Thank you, Gemini. Let me know in the comments what recipe you'd like to see Gemini share next. Enjoy your delicious creation, and see you in the next recipe. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified of future recipes.